What will I catch fishing in South Padre Island, Texas? So we booked it out at 6 a.m. in the morning on the boat. Got riding early, we got to view this absolutely stunning sunrise, and then we got on the first fish of the day. It was this beautiful Jack Crevalle. I let him go on his way, and then we moved on to another spot, and we got on tons of speckled trout. We caught so many that we even reached our limit of 3 per person. Overall, it was an amazing time out in the water. We searched for redfish and we couldn't find any, so we just ended off the day with a bunch of speckled trout and 1 black drum.